The more you learn about it, the more it seems like artificial intelligence can do pretty much anything. You can even get AI to read you a bedtime story in your grandma's voice, as long as you have a voice sample of hers. If that's not crazy enough, AI can also help you branch out into a whole new income stream through artwork. But what if you can barely draw a tree? Enter Midjourney, an AI tool that turns you into something of an online Picasso. You simply have to feed the tool a prompt, and it will generate an image accordingly. Then you can edit or tweak the image to your liking. The good news is that you can do a lot more than just post these images on your Instagram stories. You can actually make money off of them. How? Let's find out. 5 ways to make money with Midjourney. Before you can make money from Midjourney, you must know how to use it properly. If you've familiarized yourself with the tool's bells and whistles, that's great. But if not, there's a Udemy course you can take. Or you can learn from online YouTube tutorials and Discord channels. Once you've gained an intermediate to expert level understanding of the tool, use these methods to make money. Sell your prompts. Here's the thing about AI. It cannot think independently. You have to be very specific in what you tell Midjourney to do. Otherwise, you'll end up with weird results. Let's compare 2 prompts. Prompt A, draw a dog. Prompt B, draw a photorealistic image of a dog with brown eyes and a red collar. As you can see, prompt B is more specific, so it gives better results and meets your artistic vision. If you have aced a few prompts on Midjourney, especially for business use cases, you can sell them on PromptBase or similar websites. PromptBase is also your go-to for selling all other AI prompts too, from ChatGPT to DALL-E. You can also sell prompts on your personal website if you have a considerable online presence. Provide freelance services. Freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork provide a platform to monetize Midjourney. There's a lot you can do with Midjourney that you can sell on these platforms. For example, if you're into graphic design, you can sell logos. Many people are also designing album covers and book covers with Midjourney. Also, you can generate food images, characters, conceptual art, and stock photos for clients. Your options are endless. Although the method is not super lucrative, some people also rent out their Midjourney account. The mega plan for Midjourney costs $120 a month. If someone only needs Midjourney for one-time use, they won't be willing to spend so much money to access all of the platform's premium features. That's where you come in. You rent out your account to them for $20. They do their one-time tasks, and you make some pocket money. It's a win-win. Start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand services are becoming mainstream since they eliminate the need to keep stock. You don't even have to be a seasoned artist to create designs for your merchandise anymore. Midjourney takes on the task for you. All you have to do is set up a website or an online shop. Then, create a set of illustrations or prints using Midjourney and print them on phone cases, notebooks, cups, stickers, and tote bags. But you do need to determine the types of prints people want. You can take the age-old route of making generic designs, like artwork and quote from famous TV shows. But too many people are already doing it. It's hard to break through the competition. Being different will help you stand out. We recommend keeping up with TikTok's viral memes and trends. TikTok popularized phrases and hashtags on your merchandise will help attract young customers. Teach Midjourney. Midjourney has over 15 million users, further growing at an impressive rate. However, most of these users don't know how to use the platform properly. If you're a Midjourney pro, put your knowledge to use and make money by teaching what you know to others. The first option is to sell the course through your website. But that would require you to have an audience and manage everything like payment processing yourself. Alternatively, you could sell your course on a website like Skillshare. Since these platforms already have an audience, you don't need to worry about marketing your course. All you need to do is create a well-rounded course and wait for the money to start pouring in. Sell children's books. No, we're not asking you to be the next J.K. Rowling or Stephen King. You can start with children's books. Use Midjourney for the illustrations and write a story around them. You don't have to be an experienced writer either. Just keep it simple and focus on the visuals. That's what the kids will look at. If you're short on ideas, use ChatGPT. You can also use it to create a basic template, which you can expand on. Once you've assembled a book, you can sell it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Again, if you have a personal website or social media presence, that can be your outlet too. Besides children's books, you can create notebooks with quotes. For example, you can compile a book of quotes from celebrities and illustrate it with Midjourney. Design a beautiful cover, and it will sell like hotcakes. Now, go draw some happy little trees. But before you do, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.